includes the following point: identification, registration and reporting, case examination and giving opinion, preparation of record, investigation and treatment, and final opinion. Registration and reporting. The responsibility to label any case as a medical.
Thank you, Arif. My part is an examination of medical legal cases. So, first of all, what is a consent? Consent is anything that a person voluntarily agrees or give permission or comply to. Person accepts its consequences of an act that is being carried out. So, there are various rules of consent. First of all, the consent is necessary for every medical examination from history, from investigation to various operating procedures. If a doctor operates.
Now we want to know that medical legal cases are some unnatural pathology to any one patient. So, in comparison, when we handle the medical legal cases, it will be very different from normal other kind of patients. So let's come to one of the most important medical legal cases, which is almost occurring worldwide. So it is road traffic accident. According to a different proportion, if a medicine is given during the pericardial para, medical legal problems in administering anesthesia, medical legal.
Good afternoon, everyone. Let us have a look at medical legal cases in ophthalmology. The practice of ophthalmology has advanced exponentially due to technology. This has raised the bar of medical to the highest precision in accuracy. In such an era, it is the need of the hour to be aware of the medical legal implication in various countries, including India. Cataract and corneal surgeries account for a majority of the claims filed in court. The proportion of retina-related malpractice claim is less, even expectation of any surgical outcome are often more optimal.
Thank you, Pinchai. Now let's talk about the medical legal aspects in obstetrics and gynecology. It is not surprising that obstetricians face a significant number of litigations with medical specialties. Nearly a quarter of all complaints ended with negligence being proven, while tubectomy failure was the most common cause for complaints being filed. Maternal deaths, issues related to medical termination of pregnancy, postpartum complications, and procedures done without valid consent were the predominant situation where adverse verdicts were passed against the medical professionals. Now, what is abortion?